Rufa May Quinto hinangaan ng mga netizens matapos hindi piliing ipaglaban ang 1 million pesos. My brand of humor is different. Isa ang komedyanteng si Rufa May sa mga comedians na nakibahagi sa kompetisyon kung saan ang mga ito ay kalahok ay may layuning hindi dapat matawa at kailangan ay mapatawa nila ang kani-kanilang mga kalaban. Kahanga-hangang tunay, yan ang naging puna ng mga netizens kay Rufa May matapos nitong aminin na mas pinili niyang matalo sa LOL. At tanong ng ilan, bakit hinayaan niyang mawala sa kanya ang 1 million pesos? Ani Rufa May, I'd rather lose the 1 million pesos than losing my family. I didn't feel bad about losing because I already knew where it was heading. The game was starting to get really dirty, so I opted out. Of course, who wouldn't want to win 1 million? I could have tried to fight for it, but I decided to let it go. I certainly didn't want to lock lips with Chad Kinis or with anyone there. I have a husband and a child. I didn't want them to see me do that on TV. Besides, I can't handle spitting on another person's face because I don't want anyone to do that to me. My brand of humor is different. At ito ngang naging pahayag ni Rufa May ang hinangaan ng mga netizens at nag-iwan ng komento. Anong isa? Matalino. Sa pagkakaalam ko, cum laude siya nung college, kaya palaging ginagamit ang utak. Good move, Miss Rufa. Salute to you for not cheapening yourself. Your family must be very proud of you. Congratulations. You earned your audience's respect. Excellent decision. Spitting on somebody else's face is really disgusting. So if you don't want that to happen to you, why do it on someone else? Ito naman talaga ang nagustuhan ko kay Miss Rufa May Quinto. Iba talaga pag nanay ka. Your decision-making really includes your child and family. Mabuhay ka, Miss Rufa. Yes, check ang decision mo. Brainy and beauty ka talaga. Tama, so true. What a nice comedian. Peachy, I'm proud of you. Your behavior was a manifestation of an excellent Pinoy. You are an epitome of family, values, and greatness. To me, you are already a million-peso winner. God bless you more. Her style of humor maintains a high level of respect for fellow actors. This approach should be the standard for humor in the Philippines, which has recently been overshadowed by some popular comedians. Ito yung comedian with a class. Di mo kailangan mamahiya ng tao para magpatawa. Mas okay pa yung mga comedians who make fun of themselves rather than making fun with other people. Being humiliated is never funny. Mas napapatawa ako ng sense of humor niya. Unexpected kasi yung mga jokes nito at mga lumalabas sa bibig. She's witty the way she delivers her punchline. Yung iba kasi ngayon, hiraman na ng jokes. As for Rufa May, her definition of an actress' finest work is to achieve it by loving what she's doing, showing non-offensive real funny acts rather than for money na kahit mukhang inappropriate na and yung hindi siya mabalahura sa mga pinapagawa sa kanya. Dapat sa show, it is a teaching experience to break down the areas in which actors can work and search for realities in themselves that serve the character and the play. Hindi yung bastusan, just saying. It's not always about money. Good decision, Rufa May. Respect and family comes first. Yeah, what they did was absolutely disgusting. Imagine kung may mga virus yung mga laway na tumatalsik-talsik. Sakit ang aabutin. I watched it because I love those comedians, but for me, the end didn't justify the means. Dagdag pa ng isa. Rufa May is the type of comedian na very natural. Yun bang di naman niya intensyong magpatawa pero matatawa na lang ang mga tao sa paligid niya? She doesn't even need to drop a joke to make people laugh. Very pure. Kusa, hindi pinilit at lalong hindi inaral. In the first place, di naman siya nakilala sa umpisa as a comedian. She was an actress at hindi comedy ang linyahan niya noon. Pero dahil nga natural ang kanyang pagpapatawa, nakilala rin at lalo siyang sumikat doon. And definitely, yes, sobrang ganda niya para sa mga bardagulan at balahuraan type of comedy. Di niya kailangan gawin yun. Good move. That's why we love you. You didn't won the 1 million, but you earned millions of respect from the audiences. Salute to you, Miss Rufa May Quinto. Can we all pose for a while to appreciate Rufa May Quinto? She is more than a sexy body to me. She is more than her funny personality to me. She is a deep soul inside. I love how she is raised. She has good morale and she loves her family very much.